Peloton shares dive 11% after shocking death of beloved Sex and the City character on one of the exercise bikes in Reboot.
Yes. It is a crazy title. Yeah. This happened a couple of days ago. You obviously know Sex and the City.
Yeah, I don't know this story, though. This is crazy.
Yeah. And it was just a very short sequence. It was the premiere of the first season or the first season or the first episode of the next season. And one of the characters, I think his name is Big, and he was a husband of Sarah Jessica Parker in that character. And he was just on the bike, and then he comes off of it just like a regular exercise, and then he just dies. He just has a heart attack. And at this point, Peloton, their shares like just completely drop because of this.
Yo, the brand was set to be used in the show, and a real instructor, Jess King, would be playing a fictional trainer named Allegra. He was supposed to be using the bike in the show.
He did, yes.
This happened while they were filming? Oh my God.
No. He died in the show. He didn't die. He didn't die in real life.
Oh man, you're killing me here.
He died in the show. Do you know what's going on?
What's the big deal about that?
Well, it's the fact that the shares plunged. The fact that he was just using the bike.
But that's not gonna last. Okay. I thought if this dude died in real life because he's doing a segment on the show and he's on the Peloton bike, he has a heart attack, drops dead. I thought it was not the character, but the actual
not the
actor
real person
in real life.
No,
all right. Yeah. People are very upset right now at my interpretation of this, but when you brought it up, I mean, like, look at the way they write the headline: shocking death.
Yeah.
I'm like, wait a sec, what's going on here? Okay, so he died in the show. And what does Peloton want to do about it? They want to sue them or something?
Well, there's really nothing that they can do.
Are you sure about that?
I don't think so.
Peloton was aware that the brand would be on the show.
They have no creative control over it. It wasn't like a sponsorship or brand deal.
No, I know, but sometimes when you have you need clearance to use a brand in a vehicle or in a video or in a movie or TV show, which is why sometimes you'll see tape over like a logo.
Right.
I wonder how they showcased it. Obviously, I haven't seen this episode, but the scene apparently was a big deal in the show, and it's a funny one. It's funny because Peloton is obviously like a meme now. Mm-hmm. And man, you had me for a second there. I thought
it wasn't a gotcha moment. It was just
but you had me for a second. I was like, damn.
Maybe the title was very salacious as well.
Yeah, it is. I mean, it's odd to write a news story about an event in a show, in a fictional show.
We're talking about Daily Mail.
No, though. I know it's they nailed it. Like they did it. This is the future. Can you imagine? That was like when people got angry at Netflix when they were marketing that show.
The controversial one?
Where the kid had horns. What the hell was that show? The kid had horns. Horns Netflix. No, and they actually, of course, have a show by the name of it's like a little
Sweet
Tooth. Yeah, they had a show called Sweet Tooth, and they bought the front page of a newspaper and acted like the fictional event inside of the show was a news story, but then in small print, they said, this is fictional. Hybrid babies born across the U.S. World reacts to half animal hybrid. Like that was the front page of USA Today. Mm-hmm. And you see how that gets your attention because
for sure.
It seemed like news. And Daily Mail just employed the same tactic. Can you imagine a future where all news stories are fictional? They can be whatever you want in the fictional realm.
And people will just eat it up.
Yeah. I mean, damn. Yeah, Peloton stock it's 5% down now. It's not gonna have a lasting effect. It's a fictional. Come on.
Yeah. He's the character in question.
They'll bounce back. Anyway, yeah, so he's dead in the show now. All right. I guess there you go. And by the way, if somebody dies of a heart attack because they're on the bike,
Yeah.
it's not the bike's fault. The bike is getting the cardio going, so it may have triggered it, but ultimately,
Yeah.
you're going to be better off doing the physical activity. Like, that's hilarious, man. The shares go down because in a fictional story, a guy has a heart attack, which the bike didn't create in the first place. Cholesterol did.
Yeah.
Whatever else.
Even the cardiologist who
Genetic
works
predisposition of the fictional character.
Yeah. I mean, riding a Peloton would help you reduce heart attack. Right?
Exactly. Yeah, of course. Yeah, exactly. I mean, I guess except in rare circumstances where you have some sort of susceptibility that
like a heart condition
where they would say like, yo,
Sure.
don't ride your
don't do that.
don't ride your heart to the limit like that. Like keep it chill mode.